In this video, we're looking at specific element permissions and especially how they work for text. These permissions follow the same principles as the general ones, but with much more granularity. They override any general permission you've set, giving administrators complete precision when controlling what users can or can't do. Let's dive in. Each permission corresponds to an option in the top toolbar, meaning the permissions you apply define which options appear for the user when they edit. But it goes much deeper once you start leveraging the full potential of the platform. Let's start with text replacement. You can allow users to replace the text freely with anything they want, or you can define exactly what content they can choose from. The most advanced setup is linking the replacement to one or multiple text asset folders. That means the content users can select is the content stored in your brand asset folders. You can even organize those folders into subfolders, and users will be restricted to what's inside. And here's the best part. If you update the content in the folder, the template updates instantly. No need to edit the template again. Just change the content once in the folder, and every connected template stays up to date. You can also set specific data rules, such as character limits, numerical input, email, date, or price formatting, ensuring full consistency across localized or automated designs. Now let's look at the color permission. Just like text replacement, it's not simply on or off. You can let users pick any color, specify one exact color, or link it to a color palette from your brand assets, ensuring every template uses the approved brand colors automatically. All other permissions for movement, opacity, alignment, spacing, font type, and more follow the same structure as the general permissions. But remember, specific element permissions always override general settings. You can also view all the elements with specific permissions applied. Only the ones that differ from the general settings will appear, keeping everything easy to manage. This level of control is extremely powerful. By linking text replacement to folders, colors to palettes, and setting character or data limits, you create a truly controlled environment, one where anyone can use a template confidently, while your brand stays fully protected and compliant.